So I'm going to create this look using all Buxom products. It's not sponsored, but I partnered with them. So this is the customizable palette. You could put any singles that you want in there. I love their shadows. I have forever, even before YouTube. Then I'm taking this deeper orangey brown and I'm going to start concentrating that into the outer wing to really give myself like a sultry type of look. And basically all you want to do with this look is blend. This is so easy, especially if you kind of have like a last minute Halloween party because you probably already have colors like this. Then I'm taking this shimmery shade, and this just is going to help open up our eyes a little bit and just give a little bit of like glimmery sparkle. Then this is their liner pen, and this kind of smudges, and this is what I want. I didn't want such a precise wing. Then I'm going to take their gel liner. Don't stretch your skin like I do. It's a bad habit. Don't listen to me. Then I'm going to wipe any fall out, and this is where I'm going to take that black and I'm going to start smudging it onto that line and just make it not look so perfect, make it look a little bit more smoky and kind of take out of any shine that the liners have left behind. Then I'm going to put all my other face makeup on. I do it all the same really. Then I'm taking Maldives by Buxom, and I'm just going to work this into my skin. I'm not doing a strong contour or anything like that. I'm just warming up my face just a teeny tiny bit because I do want to look a little bit more pale than usual. These lashes are from, I forget, but I'll link them below. They came in, where did they come from? Oh, you know what? I feel like they're from Velvet 59. Then I'm just going to take that orange color and swipe it down on my lower lash line. Then I'm taking a little bit of Big T's. This is my all-time favorite mascara. I love that it gives me life. I love the big old chunky type of wand that they have, and I love the formula. Then I'm taking Code Red liner, and what I love about this liner, you guys are going to see, it has like a little thing at the end, so if you mess up, you can kind of clean it up or put concealer and clean it up. Then I'm taking their lipstick, and I'm going to, I believe this is called Cherry or like Red Hot Cherry or something. I'll link everything below. And I'm going to put this all over my lips. They have such comfortable lipstick. And then I'm going to take the Party All Night lipstick. It's like their holiday edition. And so I'm excited to use these little guys, kind of give myself like a little bit of a masquerade feel. And these kind of peel off. Use tweezers so you don't rip them. Go gentle. And then they kind of stick on your face. And I love that they don't have a ton of sticky glue on it. So it doesn't even really feel like you're wearing anything. And when you take them off, it doesn't like wreck your skin or leave behind glue. Then I'm taking one of the dark glosses from that collection, and I'm just going to put this all over my lips, give it more of a wet look. Now you could throw on any type of color wig you wanted. I got this off Amazon for like $15 just to kind of do something a little bit different. Throw on a crown, make yourself look fun and dark, and do whatever you want, and have a happy Halloween. I love you guys. Bye.